Hello, welcome to Danny Kitchen Mafia. In this video clip, I have the order for the customer to order a bunch of hand roll, and in the COVID-19 situation, so we can deliver to the customer house and then write the description or the instruction for the customer to make the hand roll at home. I also make this video clip and send to all the customer, so they will follow the instruction from the video clip and then they can do the hand roll at home. First thing, I measure the rice, so each hand roll have to be the same amount of rice, like perfect, not too much rice. So I measure for one hand roll is 45 grams of rice, so that can control each hand roll has the same amount of rice. Another thing, for the perfect hand roll, when you want to make hand roll at home, you need to reheat your rice, make it warm. So I put the less amount of rice, put in the microwave like 30 seconds, and the rice gonna be warm. That's the trick for make the perfect hand roll. Another important trick is the crispy seaweed. So I turn on the oven and then I place the nori seaweed roasted a little bit to make the seaweed is hot and crispy. That's the key of the hand roll. So when it's ready, you will get the nice hand roll crispy. And again, one hand roll when you make, you have to eat right away, so because you want the crispy of the seaweed. So first, your left hand have to be dry, completely dry, because if not, your seaweed gonna wet and chewy later on. Your right hand side dip in the cold water to make your right hand side it's wet, and then the rice is not stick on your right hand when you make the hand roll. You hold the seaweed like this, use your thumb and place on your palm. Then place the 45 grams of sushi rice in this area, and then try to not press the rice, just try to make nice and each grain of rice on top of the seaweed. And then you need one grain to make the glue in the right bottom corner of the seaweed. And then you press the ingredient. So this one is 3 strips of the salmon. You have to put the seaweed left bottom attached on this area, and then you roll it up, make the cone shape of the hand roll, and then glue with the seaweed that you put before. So this is another one that I'm gonna show. So same thing, dip your right hand with the cold water, press the rice on top of the seaweed. In the traditional hand roll, the chef will dab the wasabi on top of the rice, but just in case your party have a kid, then you can put whatever ingredient that you want to make the hand roll on top of the rice. So place it and make it nice. Then you need a single grain of the rice at the bottom right of corner of the seaweed to make as the glue. And then you put the bottom left corner of the seaweed, roll it up, so you will get the perfect hand roll. And again, you have to eat right away. Thank you for watching this video clip. If you like this video clip, please subscribe my YouTube channel Danny Kitchen Mafia, and please give me a thumb up and share on your social media. See you in the next episode. Thank you.